Hi, let's say that you have a diagram or infographic and you want to turn into something more digestible, like voiceover narration or dialogue between people who discuss this infographic. So with Kukarella you can do that. If you go to Kukarella homepage, you can choose what you want to create from that image, voiceover or dialogue, and just drag and drop that image. Let's do that. This is image, and let's ask AI to create a voiceover, or let's create a dialogue. Write a dialogue between a coach and new employee discussing this infographic. Hit send, and in few seconds you will get a dialogue which explains the concept. So it turns that diagram into more digestible content. You can do that with any image you want. In this example, I show you how to do that with infographics or diagrams, but you can do that with images, with photos of people. You can ask, you can ask AI to write dialogue between people on image. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you see, AI analyzed image and explained everything in simple words. And now you can click play and voila, it's done. As we requested, it created two actors, coach and new employee, but if you want, you can add more people. So in that case, you go back to homepage, upload this or another file and ask for something else, like conversation between four people, or between coach, between professor and student, or between two colleagues who are discussing this topic, and Kukarella will do that for you. You can do that from Kukarella homepage if you choose one of these options, create dialogue or create voiceover, or if you go to Dialogues application and open AI assistant, you can do exactly the same thing. Main difference is that with dialogue you create conversation between few people. It's your choice how many people will be there and who they are. And voiceover is just narration with a single voice. It's good if you want to explain certain topic. Basically, that's it. This is a new feature, and yeah, please use it and tell us how you use it. If you have any suggestions how we can improve it, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Bye.